Hello, Jafar. So,
Hello.
can you explain how Azure Synapse Analytics differ from Azure Data Lake and when you would choose one over the others?
Okay. Azure Synapse Analytics is a fully integrated analytics service that allow you to run both on-demand and provision data analysis, combining big data and data warehousing capabilities. Azure Data Lake, on the other hand, is primarily a storage solution for large data sets. You would choose Azure Data Lake when you need scalable and inexpensive storage for raw or unstructured data. In, in contrast, you would use Azure Synapse Analytics when you need advanced query and analytics capabilities across structured and unstructured data with tight integration into Spark and SQL based workflows.
Okay, so how do you secure sensitive data in Azure Data Lake Storage?
Alright, to secure sensitive data in Azure Data Lake Storage, which is ADLS, I would implement a combination of Azure security feature. First, I would enable Azure Active Directory, ADD, for role-based access control. RBAC to restrict access. Second, I would use Azure Key Vault to store and manage access to encryption keys. ADLS support both server-side and client-side encryption, ensuring data is encrypted at rest. Additionally, I would enable network security settings like firewall rules and virtual network integration to control access to the storage account.
Okay, so what is the role of Azure Data Factory in orchestrating data workflow and how does it integrate with other Azure services?
Azure Data Factory ADF act as cloud-based data integration service that orchestrates data workflows. It can connect to a variety of data sources, perform transformation, and load data into destinations like Azure Data Lake, Azure SQL Database, or Azure Synapse Analytics. ADF integrates seamlessly with services like Azure Databricks for big data processing and Azure Logic apps for workflow automation. It also integrates with Azure Key Vault for secure credential management and Azure Monitor for tracking pipeline performance.
Okay, how would you use Azure Data Lake Storage and Azure Databricks to implement a scalable data transformation pipeline?
Okay, first I would store raw data in Azure Data Lake Storage, which can handle large volume of unstructured or semi-structured data. Then I would use Azure Databricks for scalable data transformation. Databricks built on Apache Spark allow parallel processing and can read data from ADLS directly. I would set up Databricks notebook or job to clean, transform, and aggregate the data, and then write the processed data back to ADLS or another storage service for downstream analytics or reporting.
So, how does Azure Data Lake Storage Gen2 improve over Gen1 and why would you prefer Gen2 for modern data architecture?
Okay, Azure Data Lake Storage Gen2 built on Gen 1 by combining the capabilities of Azure Blob Storage with a hierarchical namespace, which improve both performance and cost effectiveness for big data workloads. Gen 2 offers better integration with analytics tools like Azure Databricks and Azure Synapse. Provide POSIX-compliant access control list ACLS for granular permissions and enables faster data retrieval due to the hierarchical structure. I would prefer Gen 2 for modern data architectures because it allows efficient data access and management for both structured and unstructured data. supporting large-scale analytics workflows.
How Azure Data Factory handles error management in an ETL pipeline.
Okay. Azure Data Factory provides built-in error handling mechanism to manage failures in ETL pipelines. Each activity in a pipeline has a retry policy that can be configured to automatically retype failed tasks. For more advanced error handling, ADF support activity failure paths, where you can define specific action to take upon failure, such as sending alerts or trigger compensating workflows. ADF also integrate with Azure Monitor for real-time tracking and logging of pipeline failures, allowing engineers to diagnose and resolve issue promptly